Hello everyone and welcome to GeoGyan India. Today we are going to see what is ArcGIS. So the topics today we are going to see are what is ArcGIS, what does ArcGIS stands for, who uses ArcGIS and what software is a part of ArcGIS. Now first of all let us see who invented GIS software. So the GIS software was invented by ISRI, that is Environmental System Research Institute. It is an international supplier of Geographic Information System, that is GIS, which consists of GIS software, WebGIS and geodatabase management applications. The company headquarters are in Redlands, California. Now let us see what is ArcGIS. So the ArcGIS is a geospatial software to view, edit, manage and analyze geographic data. ISRI develops ArcGIS for mapping on desktop, mobile and web. Now let us see what does ArcGIS stands for. So ArcGIS stands for Aeronautical Reconnaissance Coverage Geographic Information System. So who uses ArcGIS? ArcGIS users are in worldwide range of fields and industries. For example, government, education and commercial industries use ArcGIS, but the largest user base is in environment, military and land planning. So what are the software is a part of ArcGIS? ArcGIS is a set of software consisting of ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcScene and ArcGlobe. First of all, we will see the interface of ArcMap. So this is the interface of ArcMap, where you can see menu bars, toolbars. In the left side, you can see table of contents, layer options is there, and in the right side, you can see catalog, search option and create feature option. Now we will see what is ArcMap. So the ArcMap is a centerpiece of ISRI suite of GIS software. It's how users create map from scratch. By analyzing data, they can find location patterns and trends in ArcMap. Finally, user edit data and can call it their own. The main format of ArcMap is MXD, that is Map Exchange Document. Now we will see what is ArcCatalog. So in the ArcMap, there is ArcCatalog here. If you click it, you can see the catalog. Here there is a home option. Here where you can connect the folder, any folder whichever you want. Now what is ArcCatalog? ArcCatalog is more like Windows Explorer that shows only geospatial data. In a way, it also like a library where you can organize, manage your GIS data. Now we will see what is ArcScene. So here is the interface of ArcScene. If you go to customize, in toolbars you can see 3D analysis, 3D editor, 3D effects, 3D graphics, animation and last dataset. In the left side you can see the table of content and on the right side you can see the catalog and the search option. Now we will see what is ArcScene. Using the 3D analysis extension you can access ArcScene. ArcScene focuses on local areas like size of neighborhood. If you want to save a scene, its format is SXD. Now we will see what is ArcGlobe. So this is the interface of ArcGlobe. Here you can see the globe. Here you can see these are the menu bars and these are the toolbars. On the left side there is table of contents where you can see globe layers, that is floating layers, draft layers, then there is elevation layers. Now we will see what is ArcGlobe. ArcGlobe is a 3D application for large study areas. Instead of size of neighborhood, it's well suited for global extent. If you are going to use arglobe, its file format is 3dd, that is arglobe document. Thank you for joining.